guys, me and my grandma just saved a bird right there with a broken wing. He was in the street, and when I got near it, it tried to fly away, but it couldn't. It has a broken wing, and we called
He thinks.
What?
I said he thinks.
He looks funny. He looks funny how he's just looking.
Is then this close?
It's not moving. So yeah.
But that's my baby, let me.
We called the.
Those are Lord.
Josh, I'll tell you what the humane society said.
What?
They said if it's not broken, then it just needs to be left alone.
Well, we don't know if it's not broken.
Well, because I saw it fly. When I came out to try to get it up with the towel, it tried to fly. It's not broken.
Yeah, it is. It's broken. If it can't fly, then it's broken.
No, it means it's a baby.
It's so we just saved a big.
Yeah, they said leave it be until it will grow up in a day to fly away. Yeah, today or yesterday. It's pretty big for. It's probably been hatched for a couple of days.
What?
Please don't get too close.
When did it hatch?
I would guess a couple of days because it's pretty big. Just
Come.
to get a good picture of it.
I'm taking a video.